Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the hard drive, loosen the 2 screws securing the side cover. Slide the cover off the system. Identify the hard drive. Disconnect the data and power cables from the hard drive. Remove the 2 screws. Lift the hard drive out of the system. Flip the drive over. Remove the 2 screws on the bottom of the drive. Slide and remove the hard drive from the hard drive carrier. To reinstall the hard drive, slide the hard drive into the hard drive carrier. Install the 2 screws on the bottom of the drive. Flip the drive over and place it back in the system. Install the 2 screws. Connect the data and power cables to the connectors on the hard drive. Place the side cover back on the device. Tighten the screws to secure it. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.